Today, let's talk about water and changes of its state. The focus of this video. First, what is water? Second, what are the three states of water? Last, how does water change its state? What is water? Water is the most common liquid found on Earth. It can be found in oceans, seas, rivers, and also in the air. Water is matter because it has mass and occupies space. Water in the liquid state has a definite volume but no definite shape. Water is colorless and transparent. There are three states of water. In solid state, water is ice, iceberg, and snow. In liquid state, water is in water bodies like oceans and seas. In gaseous state, water is steam and water vapor. How does water change its state? They do so by either losing or gaining heat. Let's go into the different processes of these heat gain and heat loss. Freezing is heat loss, changing water from liquid to solid state. When water loses heat, its temperature drop. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. It is measured in degrees Celsius. The freezing point of water is the temperature at which the liquid, water, changes from a liquid state to solid state due to heat loss. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Condensation is also heat loss. Condensation is the change in the state of water from a gas, steam or water vapor, to a liquid, water, due to heat loss. It can occur at any temperature. Steam is hot water vapor at 100 degrees Celsius. Like water vapor at any other temperature, it condenses when it meets a cooler surface. Melting is a process of water gaining heat. Melting is the change in the state of water from a solid, ice, to a liquid, water, due to heat gain. The temperature at which ice melts is called its melting point. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling is another process of heat gain. When water gains heat, its temperature rises. Boiling is the change in the state of water from a liquid, water, to a gas, steam, due to heat gain. The temperature at which water boils is called its boiling point. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. The last process is evaporation. Evaporation is the change in the state of water from a liquid, water, to a gas, water vapor, due to heat gain. Take special note. Evaporation is different from boiling. Evaporation occurs all the time and at any temperature below the boiling point. Evaporation produces a cooling effect. When water evaporates, it gains heat from its surroundings. Thus, the surroundings lose heat and cooling is experienced. The rate of evaporation indicates how fast or slow evaporation is taking place. There are 4 factors that affect rate of evaporation. First, temperature. Second, presence of wind. Third, area of exposed surface. Last, humidity of the air. The temperatures of the water and its surroundings affect the rate of evaporation. The higher the temperature, the higher the rate of evaporation. For presence of wind, when water evaporates, the water vapor formed usually collects just above the water surface. When wind blows, it takes away the water vapor and creates space for more water vapor to form. The stronger the wind, the higher the rate of evaporation. For area of exposed surface, the area of exposed surface area is the area of the water that is exposed to air. Water vapor forms at this exposed surface. The greater the area of exposed surface, the higher the rate of evaporation. For humidity, humidity is the measure of the amount of water vapor in the air. The lower the humidity, the higher the rate of evaporation. On a dry day, where humidity is low, there is little water vapor in the air, leading to a higher rate of evaporation. Now compare it to a humid day, where humidity is high, there is more water vapor in the air, leading to a lower rate of evaporation. That's it for today. Do join us for a trial lesson if you think this video helps. Contact us here.